Welcome to the channel. Today we have a 2009 Opel Astra, a 1.7 cdti engine to replace the timing belt, and accordingly videos. So let's get to work. First of all, we remove the filter housing and remove this nozzle so that it does not interfere with us. Then we remove the protection from below and unscrew the engine cushion. In principle, such Opel work is standard. I recently had a petrol marshmallow the day before yesterday. The video probably came out on it. There is approximately the same thing that needs to be sorted out.
Таке саме потрібно розбирати.
Do not forget about the connector. Yes, and we still have bolts right here. Here is one under the bottom. From here you need to climb.
Звідси потрібно залазити.
Removed the pillow and pillow bracket. Now there is good access to the tension roller of the PC belt. Turn the key to 15 and remove the belt. Next, the crankshaft pulley. Unscrew for bolts. The central one remains. Before that, it is advisable to spray it with water so that it oxidizes because there is rust there. Well, I got to the belt and already pinned it. The camshaft is pinned, the bolt is 6, the fuel pump is screwed, the bolt is 8, the thread in the block is screwed, and the crankshaft is also here. There's a label. Here, the carving is clearly visible and there's an opening, an arrow. It is very difficult to see, but it is visible. We also pay attention to the fact that our engine rotates counterclockwise, not as usual. And I almost forgot, before removing the timing belt, remove the camshaft sensor, because here we will not remove the belt. It can damage the sensor. Therefore, it must be removed. When replacing the timing belts, pay attention to the oil seals of the shafts that come out of the engine. In my case, the oil seal of the crankshaft is dry, although here it was wet for him. I took it off, checked, everything is dry, and the oil pump drive oil seal is running. I don't know if it is visible on the camera. You can see in the mirror that he is running. It must be replaced. Because at 50,000 or 70,000 feet, the belt will run even more, and then everything here will be in oil, and the belt will also be in oil. And this reduces a lot, almost by half or even by 3 times, the resource of the belt. Friends, a new oil seal has arrived, we will bet. The only thing is that it is a little wider by 1 millimeter. I think there is nothing wrong. Vala checked, there is nowhere on the shaft. This is our oil pump drive shaft. Now I'm putting the oil seal and will install the belt. The tension roller is currently at maximum tension. We need to take him away like this. And in this position to clamp, not much. Just pulled up and that's it.
Оп, оп. Все, ось. І в такому положенні зажать. Не сильно. Просто підтягнули і все.
Now we put the belt. Yes, put a belt. The only thing I don't like is that he is so free here. It's something somewhere, or something went wrong somewhere. But I can't put it any other way. I'm releasing the video now. Pulled up a little. That's it. The video was released. I twist the pins.
Відпускаю ролика. Оп. Він трошки підтягнувся. Все, ролика відпустили. Викручую штифти. Ага, це не можна.
I make 2 turns. I'll see what I can do. Let's not forget the engine rotates counterclockwise.
Не забуваємо, двигун крутиться проти часової стрілки.
Now I will look at the lower label. Everything is clear there. Cool. Turn over a label fits somewhere. It's something like this.
Оборот. Так, десь підходить метка. Оп. Це десь приблизно так.
Now let's see. Camshaft, yes, it shifts distributed and here. And here it is. Everything is buzzing. Friends.
Розпредавали її. І тут. І тут її. Все good, ребята.
Now you can clamp the tension roller. The belt is stretched quite well. That's it. The video pulled itself. Clamp the roller.
Сам натягнув. Зажимаємо ролик.
Well, the main work has been done. Now let's go back and start.
Збираємося назад і будемо запускати.
Well, colleagues, let's try to run it. Like and subscribe to the channel. We must not forget to do this. Well, thank you for watching this issue and see you in the next issues. For now, let's not break down.
В наступних випусках. Пока, не ламаємося.